Hello, this is a how-to to get this daily schedule on your screen or embed actually any Google slideshow that you want to. So if you want to get this screen right here, like let's say it's a new quarter, beginning of the year, how do I do it? Sometimes you forget, that's okay. So we click on add. We're going to add a page. So the important part is you add a page, you got to give it a title. So I'll say daily schedule. Daily schedule. I then go to insert content. You click from the Google Drive resource app. In the Google Drive resource app, you then have to search for the appropriate Google slide. Mine is right here on top, but you might have to search for it. I click, and when I do this, important, you go import embed. Click on import embed, it will come in there. But how do I make it show up on the screen? Make sure you click on this display in line. Click it so that this box appears so that it's not shadowed like this. So you click on it so it says display inline. Press create, and what we will see is the daily schedule. You'll see I already have one down here, but I was just showing you how to do it again. So in here is now your daily schedule. And this, if you keep on updating it, will keep on updating as you see mine has. If you have any questions, you can contact me at nicholas.alonzi@isd728.org.